Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple car life hacks. If you're cleaning the inside of your car and you find there's loads of dust inside the air vents, which is really difficult to get rid of with just a cloth, you can use one of these foam paintbrushes. They go deep inside the vent, and they're really good at picking up all the dust. You can see the inside of mine was pretty disgusting, huh? Just clean it off and it's ready to use again. And they're really handy for cleaning in small spaces. If you find your seatbelt doesn't recoil very well when you undo it, sometimes it gets trapped in the door and you think the mechanism may be a bit worn out. You might be able to fix it using some polish. Lift the seatbelt up and spray a small amount of the polish onto the plastic slider that it runs over. Then give it a good wipe with a cloth. This should help by reducing the friction, which is often the cause of the problem. Try it out and hopefully you should find it recoils nice and quickly again and doesn't give you any more problems. If you use Sat Nav on your mobile phone but haven't got a holder to clip it into, you can use an elastic band to attach it to your air vent. Thread it through the top. Then I'm using a pen to pull it through the bottom like this. Then take your phone and slide it through the loops to hold it in place like this. Make sure your air vent is turned off. And it's a really good makeshift phone holder which doesn't leave any unwanted marks on your dashboard or windscreen. If you're having a drink in the car but haven't got a decent cup holder to put it in, you can use a roll of duct tape. Just put it on the passenger seat and sit your cup in the middle. And it's pretty stable if you knock it or go over a bump. If you find your windows mist up on the inside and get wet, you can use some catalytic crystals to solve the problem because they're designed to absorb moisture. Take a pair of socks, make sure they haven't got any holes in, and we're going to fill it up with the crystals. You can use a roll of tape to hold the sock open, then carefully tip some in. Remove the tape, then tie a knot in the sock. And this should help to absorb any moisture. You can make another one out of the other sock if you like, or tuck it over the first one like this to make it a bit stronger. Place it on the dashboard or underneath the seat. It helps to remove any moisture and damp odours, and it should make your windscreen nice and clear and stop it misting.